Okay, now good day, guys. Welcome back. Now, before we get started, if you are new and you've not subscribed, make sure you click on that subscribe button, like and share. So, take a look at this GBP USD, right? Our prediction was actually correct. We also predicted that our GBP USD were actually going bullish. We actually had 184 pips bullish move, right? I think close to 200 pips, right? So, today we kind of had like a bullish move. So, we would want to see where this price will be moving for the next day, right? Previously, I talked about our GBP giving us a pullback, right? On that Monday, we kind of were predicted that we will be having a bearish move on Monday on GBP USD. Guess what? We actually had the bearish move. On Tuesday, we kind of predicted a bullish move, which we had. Wednesday too, we also predicted a bullish move, which we also had. So we would want to predict a movement on Thursday, right? Which is the next day, which is 24, right? 24th of November. So that is why if you've not subscribed, make sure you do so. So when you take a look at this movement, right, you'll see that this price gave us a pullback which tapped our 10-period moving average, right? And I also told you guys that after it has tapped the 10-period moving average, we will be expecting a bullish move that possibly you should be able to break out this ice, right? Which we kind of did, right? We've had the bullish move. Now, if you notice this trend of this GBP USD, we are clearly on a bullish move. One of the reasons is that our DXY or USD index, anyone you can see, is giving us a bearish move. As that USD index or DXY is dropping, then any other currency pairs we will be trading to our USD will give us a bullish move. So take a look at this GBP USD. We can take a look at this as the impulse move. Why we would consider this as a correction? So we take this as a new highs that broke this previous highs, and we will consider this as a correction, right? A new highs was made here on GBP USD, right? And a correction was made, which we kind of included our Fibonacci to confirm, the where it will retrace into. We also were trying to predict if it will get to 23, 22.6, right? Then we kind of see this GBP USD kind of went bullish. Guess what? It has broken this previous high. So clearly we are now on a bullish move. Price has now broken our previous highs, right? So this is the movement here. So this was the previous highs price got to, right? Then price gave us a pullback and now a new highs has been made. So what do you expect? We still expect a further highs to be made, meaning the next day, which is Thursday, we would want to also see a bullish move on GBP USD, right? So this new highs has just been made, right? We still need the price to push further up, right? Before we consider a correction. This time around, no correction would be made. We still need this price to push up more. So one of the reasons why we would expect this bullish move up more is that if you take a look at this USD index, you see that this price is on a bearish move. So take a look at this movement here. Let's start it from here. This is the impulse move downward, and here comes the correction on USD index. And we can take a look at this new lows that broke this previous lows, right? And here we can consider this as the correction. A new lows has been made here also. Here would be the correction, and a new lows has been made, right? We can consider this as a correction, right? We saw that price actually reacted to this level. Price also reacted to this level. I told you guys that we would also expect a reaction at this level on USD index. So now that this price will be dropping further, right? At least we want to see price to actually break below this low. But before it breaks below this low, right, this previous low, we need to actually tap this low. So the next day, which is Thursday, we would actually see this USD index drop, so be able to tap this low. So as you would be getting a bearish move on USD index or DXY, then be expecting a bullish move on this GBP USD. So one of the reasons why we will be predicting a bullish move or expecting a bullish move on GBP USD. And also have it in mind that this is still above the 10-period moving average. Assuming it is below the moving average, right, my advice that we should start on this trade, but it is above this moving average. So guys, we are still on a bullish move. We have to go bullish. So to place this trade, right, we would want to see what this 4-hour time frame actually says. So we cannot see the eyes here. Your price kind of came here, drop a little bit, came here, drop a little bit, came here, drop a little bit, and price has broken above it. So we still need price to actually move further up, right? So we'll still be expecting a bullish move, right? So that this price has broken this highs. This was the previous highs, price broke, right? So price broke this previous highs. A new highs has been made, price broke it, this is the new heights, right? Price has just broken this new heights. We still need this price to push further up. This is one of the reasons why we'll be expecting a bullish move on Thursday. Maybe on Friday, a bearish move will occur. That bearish move that will occur on that Friday would be kind of like a pullback to test this level, right? Because price has just broken this ice, right? We still need price to move up a little bit. We still need price to move up, right? Before it actually give us a pullback to test the level it broke above before we continue our bullish move. So above all, right, GBP USD, we are on a bullish move, so we have to go long on GBP USD. And let's see what this 1 hour time frame says, by the way. So this is a 1 hour time frame, right? So I mean, clearly you can see this sub price has once kind of range within this level, right? On the 1 hour time frame here. The price kind of broke above it, right? So price kind of came to this level here. You kind of see a pullback here. Let's see if price will actually push up a little bit on the 1 hour time frame, come back a little bit again, break above. Maybe you can possibly enter to go long once the new highs has broken this resistance level or this highs here. So if the 1 hour time frame pushes up and break this highs, then you can go long on GBP USD for the day.